context. What's guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, my name is Terry Melda and you are sipping, spilling and seeing the tea with me. And the tea today, or the tea in this mug, is Earl Grey. Yeah, that's a good brew. The tea today in this video is me doing my GCSE non-calculator paper, the one that I took in 2011, so you do the math. I'm just gonna leave that there. Like, I've been wanting to do this for a while, and I know Nella Rose has done a video like this already. Still want to do it because I think it would be quite funny. I've got 2 degrees. I've got a bachelor's degree in financial maths and a master's which has maths involved obviously in it. It's in international banking and finance. If this flops, I'm sorry, but you cannot take my achievements away from me. You cannot. You can't even. Regardless of what happens today, I can say that yes, I passed this paper when I needed to, and I'm here today with 2 degrees. And what's good? What's really good? I've got the question up on my MacBook just next to me here. I'm gonna be sipping on some tea because it's tea time, and just help me through this whole thing. Got a pad and pen. It's non-calculator, so there's no calculator. I've tried to revise. I looked on BBC Bite Size and tried to look up, you know, what could possibly come up in this paper. You know when you learn topics, you compartmentalize them, you file them away, you archive them, and those archives are so historic that, you know, trying to like unlock and retrieve the the files within that file of cabinets or whatever. I don't know how this is gonna go, but do not take anything away from me. I've done what I need to do to get to where I am, and we thank the Lord. So we move. By the way, the gloss I'm wearing today is the Morphe by Sweetie, or the Morphe X Sweetie Icy Lips by Sweetie lip gloss in Money Mummy. Here it is. And if you want to see a video of me swatching the Lip Platinum Trio and my thoughts on that, I'll probably leave like an iCard somewhere. I think it comes up somewhere up here. Please do check it out. I feel like at least I look and feel, you know, feel like that. Yeah, in case this paper just takes that away from me. I might put a screen recording or a screenshot of the question just so you can see it. Right, so first question. Right, okay, cool. Here is a list of ingredients for making 10 flapjacks. Okay, it's a simple maths, right? If I'm trying to make 15, I would divide each ingredient by 2, so you can get it how many, so like the ingredients for 5, and times by 3. Boom. 80 divided by 2 is 40. 60 divided by 2 is 30. 30 divided by 2 is 15 mils. No, what? Yeah, mils, okay, milliliters. And 36 divided by 2 is 18. That could have been a dark day if I didn't figure it out. Times it by 3. 40 times by 3 is 120. 30 times by 3 is 90. 15 times by 3 is 45. And 18 times 3, I want to say, no, that's 16 times 3. 54. I'm doing this mentally. I think it's 54. Yeah, there we go. Yes, there we go. So I've got that. Boom. Next question, number 2. Oh, I've got a graph here. I don't like the look of this. I don't like it. Harriet, things I have to draw something. Let's move on to the next one. Angles. Is that trigonometry? Geometry? Geometry is angles, isn't it? Is it? ARB is parallel to DQC. PQRS is a straight line. NWA is not involved in this question because they are a rap troupe. That's a poor joke from me. Angle SRB. Sarabi! No, it's SRB. Sarabi. How can I say Sarabi? Oh mate, and my scar. Because it can really get the flavours of the Earl Grey, the floralness, you know, the bouquet. Boom, boom. So, boom. SRB 55 degrees. Find the size of the angle marked X. That would be 55 as well. Give a reason for your answer. My reason is because DQC is parallel to ARB. Next! 5, some algebra, let's go. H equals 5t squared plus 2. Work out the value of h when t equals minus 2. Boom. So when t equals minus 2, you've got h equals 5 minus 2 in brackets squared plus 2, and then BODMAS comes in, so that's brackets, boom, order, or if it's BIDMAS, it's indices. So let's just do that little bracket first. So that's 5 times, or 5 in brackets 4 plus 2. I wish you could see what I'm doing, but my handwriting's not that great right now. So 5 brackets 4 plus 2, and then we've got 20 plus 2, and that equals 22. Hold up, wait a minute, it's 22. Part 2 is work out the value of t when h equals 47. Right, so let's write it out. 47 equals 5t squared plus 2. So let us make t the subject, right? Boom. So then the next line would be, you take the 2 off both sides, and that will be 45 equals 5t squared. And then you divide by 5 on both sides, and then that equals 9 is 5t squared. Then you square root both sides. T equals 3. Pen drop. I should just leave the paper here. I shouldn't do anything else. B minus 1 is less than or equal to n, which is less than 4. N is an integer. Write down the possible values of n. So if n is less than or equal to minus 1, n can still be minus 1. And it can be 0 and 1, 2 and 3, but not 4 because it's less than 4. Boom. Next! Each exterior angle of a polygon is 30. Work out the number of sides of the polygon. There's a way you can do this. So if the exterior, wait, hold on. 30 is the exterior angle. When you times it all to make it full circle, then you know how many sides are in the shape. Is that how you do it? So there's 360 degrees in a full circle. Divided by 30 is 12. So it's 12 sides, isn't it? Let me check that out, because if it's wrong, it's out. Mate, exterior angles of a polygon always add up to 360 degrees. How did I retain that nugget of information? Mate, shout out to my maths teacher. Shout out to him, he's a legend. Next! Simplify w to the power 6 times w to the power 4. That is w to the power 10. The rule is that you add the indices when you multiply indices, if that makes sense. Part 2, h to the power of 8 divided by h to the power of 3. That's when you subtract that, so that's h to the power of 5. Boom. Simplify completely this crazy fraction. Let's do this. So that's 12x y to the power 3 over 3x squared and 3 cubed. The y cubed just gets cancelled straight, so that's calm. Okay, so 12 divided by 3 is 4. Then if it's x to the power of 1, divided by x to the power of 2, so that'll be 4 to the x minus 1, right? Which is 1 over x? Oh my gosh, mate. I'm just gonna say it's 4 over x. I'm checking this now. Mate, you know what? Redemption. 4x plus y equals 10. 2x minus 3 equals 19. Solve the simultaneous equations. Should I love with that first? Simultaneous equations. Oh my gosh. Do I remember how to do this? I used to bang these out. Mate. Wait, hold on. Okay, I know what to do. Okay, so 4x plus y equals 10. Let's make y the subject. So that means y equals 10 minus 4x. And then you substitute y into the second equation which makes 2x minus 3 brackets 10 minus 4x equal 19. So then you expand that into 2x minus 30 plus 12x equals 19. And then that makes it 14x minus 30 equals 19, and then you take 30 from, no, you add 30. So that's 14x equals 49, and you divide 49 by 14 to get x, which is, what is it? So x equals 49 over 14, which I have to simplify it. Divided by 7 is 7 over 2, which is 3.5, or if we want to do it, 3.5. So then we put that into what I made earlier, which is y equals 10 minus 4x. Plug that in. We've got y equals 10 minus 4, 7 over 2. Let's keep it in 7 over 2. Which is 4 times 7 is 28. Divided by 2 is 14. So that equals 10 minus 14. So that means y is minus 4. I've still got the gift. I still got it. I still got it. Sis, those degrees weren't wasted, because I really have the talent, and I still do. I still have the talent, I still have the edge, I still have the touch, you know? So guys, thank you for watching me attempt my GCSE paper. There's some questions that weren't it, and yeah, they just weren't it, so sorry. Thank you for, watching me reaffirm what I already knew, that I'm a maths champion. I'm joking now. They really had me. They really had me in the first half. I'm not gonna lie. Had me in the first half. To be honest, they had me most of the paper because some of the questions weren't answered. But I am happy that I managed to make it through alive. Please don't forget to like, comment and subscribe to see more content from me. Reach out to me on my socials. Until next time, keep on sipping. Bye.